Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It's Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support. As always, I appreciate you hanging out with me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. We're going to jump in and give you, I think, what is a pretty beneficial tip inside of Zoom. It's something that I use pretty often. And the reason for this is, I think more than ever, we're all using video calls. And probably the line of the year is, hey, you're muted. You see someone that's talking, and of course, nothing's coming through because they're muted and they don't realize it. So we're going to talk about a way you can use your space bar that might be able to help you. And it functions like a Walkie Talkie. So we're going to jump into that for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. So whenever you're using Zoom, a nice thing you can do is you can mute the attendees or mute yourself whenever the meeting begins. And the big thing you have to remember is you have to unmute yourself whenever you go to talk. But a nice thing that you can use is your space bar. All you have to do is click and hold your space bar, and it'll work like a walkie-talkie. So when you're pushing and holding the space bar, it's going to unmute you. And then when you let go of it, the mute will kick back on in case if you're wondering about background noise or someone else coming in the conversation in the room. That'll just help you have that ability to talk whenever you need to and catch yourself before you realize no one's hearing what you're saying, and then you have to regurgitate what you said. So just remember that walkie-talkie mode, or I like to refer to it as walkie-talkie mode with Zoom, is just press and hold the spacebar will unmute you. When you let go, the mute will then kick back in. So I hope that helps you out whenever you're using Zoom inside of your company. But as always, if you have any other questions or assistance needed with IT inside of your business, feel free to reach out to us. I'm Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support. You can always find us at 719-439-0599 or on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Well, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.